Hi friends, I'm Dr. Yusuf Chunawala. I am a pediatric dentist and a bad breath specialist. I have a few questions which are there in your there are I have a few questions which are there in my mind and you really need to think about them too. How many minutes should you brush your teeth? 1 minute, 2 minutes or 4 minutes? What's the concept behind these timings? See, generally, toothpaste contains a lot of ingredients which have got anti-cavity effect, antiseptic effect, and they do help the teeth and the surrounding structures. So, if we brush for a less duration of time, what happens is that these ingredients are not there in the mouth for a sufficient amount of time. I mean, every chemical or ingredient needs some time to be in contact with the tooth and the associated structures so that it gives its best results. So, if you brush for a minute and you rinse it immediately, what will happen? All the ingredients will go down the drain. So, there was no point in brushing the teeth. Because, see, toothbrushing has got two concepts, one is the mechanical aspect and one is the chemical aspect. So the chemical aspect has failed completely. So brush minimum for 4 minutes. Now the second question is that after we have brushed our teeth, okay, we feel a lot thirsty. Now what is the reason behind that? Majority of our toothpaste contains sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a detergent, and it causes dryness of mouth. And the second ingredient in many of the toothpaste is either methyl or ethyl alcohol. So alcohol also is a dryness agent. So now if there is dryness of mouth caused by the toothpaste, you will drink water, and when you drink the water, there is all the chances of the ingredients or the remnants of the toothpaste which are there in our mouth to not have its or not work to its full potential. So now what is the solution for this? Use a toothpaste which doesn't contain sodium lauryl sulfate and it doesn't contain alcohol, and try to avoid eating completely after you have brushed your teeth and avoid drinking water or postpone it at least for another 15 to 20 minutes. Give some times for the ingredients to work. One more point is there, that do we require the foam in the toothpaste? Do we really require the foam? Because what happens is that because of the presence of the foam, we want to spit out the toothpaste or rinse immediately. So the ingredients are unable to get in touch with the tooth for an adequate amount of time. So yes, there are toothpastes which are non-foaming and they do not contain sodium lauryl sulfate, which is a foaming agent. So the advice for the day is that brush for at least 4 minutes. Do not eat after brushing your teeth, and do not drink or postpone your drinking of water for at least the next 15 to 20 minutes after you have brushed your teeth. Please do subscribe for my channel. Please do share it with your friends and relatives. And if you have any queries, please do get in touch with me. Thank you so much for your valuable time.